Hi everyone, it's your second session this week. C'est la deuxième session aujourd'hui. Now, you obviously can do the same class over and over again. You can do it every day. It's up to you. Vous pouvez refaire cette session, refaire la session d'avant. Ça dépend de vous. On se met en position assise. On va étirer la colonne vertébrale. We're going to lengthen the spine. And then we're going to reach back down very slowly. We're warming up the spine. And come back up. On est en train de légèrement courber la colonne vertébrale et on étire. On réveille tout simplement les lombaires. So we are working on strengthening your back, but on waking up the spine here. And now, the next one, I'm going to place my hands behind. Je vais mettre les mains derrière. Par contre, ici, je veux qu'on courbe légèrement. We're tucking under to protect our back. Careful with the shoulders. I'm going to extend one leg and then reach back down. And lift the other knee and then reach back down. On va légèrement monter le genou et on redescend. On monte et on redescend. Par contre, ce que je fais, c'est que j'appuie le bassin contre le mat, au sol. I'm really pressing into my lower back here. And that's going to be important to really help with your lower back. We do a few of those. I actually really can't find it on my transverse abdominis. The deep abdominal muscle. Je travaille vraiment maintenant sur les abdominaux profonds. And last one, le dernier, et on redescend. Et on va remonter. Très bien. Aujourd'hui, on va travailler davantage sur les bras. We're going to work deeper on your arms today. So, are we ready? We're going to slightly bend the elbows, pull your tummy, and then extend. And on va légèrement plier les coudes et on étire. On plie et on étire. On plie et on étire. So we're going to reach down here and come back. And reach and come back. And reach, come back. Last one, we hold. On va rester ici maintenant. On va monter un pied. We're lifting up. We're going to extend that leg. Now, watch. I'm staying in that position. I'm pulling on my tummy here. Tuck under the pelvis. Then bring it back. And extend. Donc, on va plier au niveau des coudes. J'appuie très fort au niveau du bassin. Je vais étirer la jambe. Donc, maintenant, on fait l'autre jambe. On attend ici. On inspire, on expire. On ramène la jambe et on étire. Ouf! Allez, on le refait. On redescend, on plie, on monte un genou, on étire la jambe. You're lengthening that leg. Press the lower back down. And it's so easy not to. And you're not going to feel it on your abdominals. And I want you to feel it on your abdominals. You probably feel it on your arms as well. And come back. Donc maintenant, on va faire exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. J'appuie très très fort au niveau du bassin, j'étire la jambe, je reste là. On reste, on reste, on reste. Et on remonte. Et on revient complètement. C'est bien. On étire la colonne vertébrale complètement. Et maintenant, je vais complètement m'allonger. I'm going to lie down completely. I'm going to place my hands behind my head and feet in parallel here. And you're going to bring your feet closer to your bum. Elbows to the side. And I'm going to come up very gently. I'm in neutral position. What is your neutral position, guys? C'est quoi la position neutre? On a un creux au niveau des lombaires, on le garde. Ça veut dire it's neutral. So we're keeping the lower back curve in the lumbar spine. Then you're going to come up here and come back down. Very slowly. You know much I hate anything to do with the crunches. J'aime pas du tout quand les gens font les abdos parce qu'en général, ils tirent sur la nuque et c'est pas ça. Il n'y a pas d'abdominaux au niveau de la nuque. Les abdominaux, ils restent, ils commencent à partir des ribs, des côtes, jusqu'au périnée. C'est tout. Il n'y a pas d'abdominaux en haut. There is no abdominals from the ribs up to your head, guys. Do not pull on your head. And reach here. Stay. Stay here. So I'm in neutral position, and I'm still working here. And you should feel that you're trying to come up a bit more. Elbows to the side, they're not here. Open. On ouvre les coudes sur les côtés. On peut étirer un bras. We're going to lengthen one arm. And you should see that just that, you're working deep on your abdominals. You see, you don't need to do and doing stupid sit-ups where you're going to hurt your back. And come back down. Et on fait la même chose de l'autre côté. Donc, on n'a pas besoin de pousser, de tirer au niveau de la nuque. On va revenir, je suis en position neutre. Donc, mon bas du dos n'est pas collé au sol. Là, il est légèrement courbé. Je vais étirer l'autre main. I'm lengthening the other arms now. And I'm holding it here. Woo! I hope you can feel that. And come back. Et on fait la même chose de l'autre côté. Alors, les côtes légèrement au niveau des abdos. Et on va remonter au niveau du bassin, je veux dire. And are you really working? And that's where you're going to have a flat tummy. I'm very lazy. I hate it. I hate wasting time. So I'll make sure what you're going to do at home is going to be efficient. Otherwise, what's the point? I don't have time. And I'm sure you don't either. And come back. Et on va de l'autre côté, on ramène, on étire le bras. On est toujours en position neutre. Neutral position here. And I'm really working on my deep abdominals here. And come back. Good. Okay. Extend the legs. Maintenant, on peut étirer les jambes. Très bien. We're going to lift one leg up. On va étirer la jambe en l'air. Et on va essayer de monter. On va travailler sur les étirements des ischio-jambiers. We're going to try to lengthen your hamstring. Reach up. We're going to inhale, exhale. If it's too much on your neck, you can lie down. On inspire, on expire, on remonte. And then you're going to try to bring that same leg towards you. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Then we let it go. Et on fait la même chose de l'autre côté. On ramène la jambe, on monte. You might find that it's harder on the second leg. C'est toujours plus difficile sur la deuxième jambe. Donc, si c'est trop difficile, on peut descendre. On inspire, on expire, on travaille au niveau de la respiration. Coming back up, on remonte. Et maintenant, on va tirer la jambe. Et 1, et 2, et 3, et 4, et 5, et on va la redescendre tout légèrement. Voilà. Ok, très bien. Maintenant, on va plier les genoux. We're going to bend the knees. You're going to bring your arms up to ceiling, inhaling. As you're exhaling, you're going to curve, grab your thighs, grab your leg, extend the legs and come back. We're going to reach over. I'm flexing my feet here. And then reach back down, one vertebra at a time. Very slowly. Take your time. And reach over. On recommence. On plie les genoux. On inspire, on monte au sommet. On remonte légèrement les épaules. On va attraper les jambes. On va étendre, étirer les jambes et on revient. On étire les bras et maintenant j'ai les pieds en flex. Je ne sais pas si on dit flex en français. And come back. Can't speak French really. And reach back. Et on redescend tout doucement. On arrête si on peut. Et on remonte. Et on redescend tout doucement. On arrête là. Et on remonte. And we're going to reach back. We stop here. Stay here. And come back. And again. And reach. And come back. We're building up strength here. And reach back, all the way back. Now, only if you're good, you know this one. Coming up, inhaling, exhaling. On fait la même chose avec les pieds, avec les jambes étirées. And reach. And come back and rolling your spine one vertebra at a time. Then we're reaching back down. Boom. Right. Back down. Arms over your head. Beautiful. Inhale, left. Exhale, and coming up. And reach. Donc celui-ci, c'est vraiment si vous n'avez pas de problème au niveau des abdos, c'est vraiment les abdos et les ischio-jambiers, les étirements qu'on fait. Mais on y va tout doucement, ça ne sert à rien d'aller vite. If you're going too fast, you're not doing it properly. Inhaling up, exhaling, boom, abdominals, curve, come up, flex your feet, reach over. It's not about touching your toes, it's reaching over, opening the lower back. So c'est pas juste toucher les pieds, c'est en fait ouvrir le bas du dos et étirer. Et on redescend. Ok, maintenant on va placer les mains derrière. We're going to have our hands behind. And now we're going to work on triceps again. On va travailler sur les triceps. Je vais monter les fessiers, les pieds en parallèle. I'm going to bend my elbows here and push up. We're bending the elbows and we're extending them. On va plier au niveau des coudes et on étire. On plie et on étire. On plie et on étire. On contracte les abdos. You're going to work on your abdominals as well. And reach. And then stay down. On reste. Et on va faire des tout petits mouvements. Tiny pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Et on étire. On le refait. On redescend. On garde les coudes à l'intérieur. So you're keeping your elbows in. Tiny pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On étire. On le refait. Bah oui, naturellement qu'on va le refaire. On redescend. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 et on étire. Allez, un dernier. It's your last one, I promise. And reach back, keep the elbows in, tiny pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Oh, I'm sure you feel that. And reach forward. I definitely feel it. Oh, was it a hot flash? I'm not quite sure. All right, to the side. On va sur le côté maintenant. Et on va se mettre au niveau du coude, ok? Au niveau du coude, je vais plier les genoux et je veux les talons au même niveau que les fessiers. My heels are on the same level as my bum, my glutes, and I'm pressing away here. Try to bring that elbow closer to you. That's what you want when you're going to come up, okay? We're working on your tiny, weeny waist. On travaille sur la taille de guêpe. Vous savez combien j'adore travailler sur les obliques? Allez, c'est parti. We're going to lift here and back down and lift. So you can change the position. You need to feel comfortable here. And press. But I'm really working here. Je travaille vraiment au niveau des obliques. On descend et on remonte. On descend et on remonte. On descend. Maintenant, je vais étirer le bras. We're going to lift up your arms here. Stay here. 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's too much on your neck, look down. Si vous le sentez vraiment au niveau de la nuque, vous regardez en bas. Mais par contre, je pousse au niveau des hanches en haut. You're really pressing into your hips here. And come back down. Woo! Did a good job. Okay, not finished, guys. We're going to extend the leg. We're going to reach up and down. Don't go too high. Starting position is at your hip level. Now we're going up. Last time, what we did, we went down. This time, from here, we're going up. And then come back to center. Pull your tummy. And up. Donc, la dernière fois, à partir du milieu, on est descendu. Maintenant, je veux qu'on monte. Par contre, on garde les hanches l'une au-dessus de l'autre. OK? Et on prend son temps. On inspire, on expire. On ne va pas vite. Et on monte. On étire la jambe. Si c'est trop avec la jambe étirée, on peut plier le genou. If it's too much, with your leg extended, you can bend the knee and do exactly the same. But press away from your elbow. And come back. Woo! Come back here. Are we ready for a second round on that side? I know. We're going to reach up here and down. And reach. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, we hold. On va rester, on reste, on étire le bras. On reste là, on peut regarder en bas. Maintenant, avec la hanche, je vais faire des tout petits mouvements. We're going to lift up with the hip. Come on, we can do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Et on redescend. Well done. Woo! Ok, c'est pas fini, il faut faire la jambe maintenant. On étire la jambe, on remonte et on redescend. Attention, on garde la hanche au-dessus de l'autre hanche. We're keeping hip on top of each other. We're going up. From the middle, we're going up. Good. Smile. You want to see results, yes or no? Well, you need to move your butt. We need to do it. It doesn't happen on its own. Si on veut voir du résultat, il va falloir qu'on secoue. C'est votre deuxième session de la semaine. Ça ne veut pas dire la deuxième session que vous faites cette semaine. Allez, le dernier, et on revient. Woo! OK. Stretch. On étire notre mermaid, la sirène. On revient, on étire. Et de l'autre côté. Et on revient de l'autre côté. Ok, on est parti, on fait exactement la même chose, mais de l'autre côté. Allez, c'est parti. Sur le coude, les genoux sont pliés, your feet are in line with your bum, knees are bent, and I'm bringing my elbow closer to me because I'm going to lift up for my hip. Left. And back, lift, 2. We can do it. Et on y va, on pousse. Vraiment en gardant les hanches l'une au-dessus de l'autre. Et on travaille sur la respiration. Maintenant, on reste et on va lever la main. Très bien. On reste là. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Et on redescend. On va étirer la jambe. On se souvient qu'on est au niveau de la moitié et on monte. On ne descend pas cette fois-ci. On monte et on descend. We're going to lift and reach back to the middle. We're not going to go down. Hip on top of each other as well. And we're smiling. Yes, we are smiling. If you're not smiling, it's not working. La 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 la, and it's true. Keep doing it. I feel it. Just visualize yourself in that beautiful bikini. That's my way of thinking. Allez, 2 de plus. Et on redescend. We're going to do the same. Are we ready? Okay, and lift. We're going on the hip. You know how much I love working on hips. Come on. And up. Well, it's actually your obliques I love working on because you're going to see results very fast working on your obliques. And then I'm going to hold it, extend your arm here, stay here. Can we add tiny pulses? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come down. Well done, it's not finished. We're extending that leg here, leg to the middle, and we're going to go up. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back. All right, on your knees now, on your knees. First of all, we're going to stretch. On va faire un étirement. Et de là, your child pose. On va pousser, and you're going to stretch, stretching here. And come back, and then stretch again. On pousse de nouveau. Et on revient. All right. In your quadruped position on your knees, we're going to extend one leg. Extend one leg. You're going to bring that foot down, pull your tummy, hip on top of each other. Le bassin est droit, donc les hanches sont vraiment parallèles avec le sol. Je vais monter le pied au niveau de la hanche et je le redescends. Je ne vais pas plus haut. I'm going to go up to my hip, no more than that. I don't want to see that, okay? We're here for now. Press away from your hands, touch, and lift. And touch, take your time. It's no point of going fast. And touch, pull your tummy in that position. Pull your tummy, press away. If this is too much in that position, you can go on your elbows. Vous pouvez aller également sur les coudes si vous préférez. Mais on travaille les fessiers, je suis sûre que vous saviez. It's really your bum. We're targeting here. And then you're going to stay here, bend the knee. Maintenant, je vais plier le genou. Je veux que le genou reste au même niveau que la hanche. Your knee staying at the same level as your hip, and then reach up. Tiny pulses. It doesn't have to be big. And that's the problem. Usually I see like massive movement and fast. Take your time. Pull your tummy. Take your time. Breathe. On prend son temps. En général, je vois quand les gens ils vont beaucoup trop vite ou ils font des mouvements trop brusques, trop hauts. Non, non. Des tout petits mouvements. Maintenant, on va étirer la jambe. You're going to lengthen that leg. Bend and extend. But I'm keeping my knee to the same level as my hip. Je garde mon genou au niveau de la hanche. Par contre, j'appuie au niveau des mains. Hein. Ouais, c'est beaucoup plus difficile là. You have to control. And you want to keep your head in line. On garde le bassin bien droit. Vous allez certainement le sentir de l'autre côté. C'est normal aussi. On travaille tout. And come back down. Okay, press away. On étire, on revient. On travaille les abdominaux. We're really pulling on our tummy to protect our back, and that's number 1. Okay, are we ready? Extend the leg first. On étire la jambe. On garde le bassin bien droit. On va monter. Maintenant, je fais pas ça. Je reste là. I'm staying here. Then I'm touching down and lift. Take your time. I'm concentrating on keeping my hip, especially the one where my leg is lifted. I'm keeping that hip facing down. Donc maintenant, la hanche de la jambe que je monte, je la garde en bas. J'essaie vraiment de maintenir cette position et de ne pas la lever. And reach. And reach. On travaille sur, on inspire, on expire. Maintenant, on va rester là. On va plier le genou, flex your foot and lift. Contrôle. Le genou, il reste au même niveau que la hanche. Je ne vais pas plus haut que la hanche. I'm not going higher than my hip, guys. So I'm not going down here. I'm here. And I stay here. I try anyway. And reach. Reach. Come on, we can do it. Pull your tummy. Lift. 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 You should feel that kicking in. Yeah? On le sent ou pas? Parce que moi, je le sens. Hein. Si vous ne le sentez pas, ça veut dire que vous le faites mal. You're not putting your heart into it if you're not feeling it. Then stay, extend that leg. Watch, I'm keeping my hip up. Extend. C'est pas facile, hein? Parce que je garde le genou au même niveau que la hanche. Et c'est beaucoup plus difficile. Bah oui, hein. On n'est pas venu ici pour faire du tricot, non? Allez. Ouh. Deux de plus, 2 more. Oh, it really hurts. And come back down. Okay. Open your knees to the side and reach down. Et on étire. Donc, on ouvre les genoux sur le côté, on étire et on descend. Child pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhaling. Exhaling. Maintenant, je reviens et on va travailler on the cat-cow. Open, arch, and then tuck under. Press away from your hands. On pousse au niveau des mains. La tête entre les bras. Et le bassin courbé. Et on revient. Lifting up and then press into your hands. Come back up. And again. Open. Good. And again. Tuck under, tuck under. And back. Pull your tummy, pull your tummy. And then come back to center. You're going to bring one foot in front and I'm going to stretch. Now, I've got a really nice mat. Probably not at home. So in that case, tuck under and extend here. Maintenant, moi j'ai un matelas. Comment ça s'appelle? Un tapis. Un tapis qui est très très rembourré, donc je peux mettre mon genou. Mais à la maison, si le vôtre il ne l'est pas, on étire ici. On travaille sur la souplesse, on travaille sur le stretches. We're going to really lengthen the muscle. On étire les muscles. And I'm moving my back foot forward and back. And come back down. Je vais ramener le pied. And we do the same on the other side. So, if it's comfortable for you, just stay here. Otherwise, curl up and lift. Et on étire. It's really your hip flexors you're stretching here. And coming forward and back, on étire. Et on revient. Wouh! On revient complètement. Main derrière le dos et on étire. Vous savez que c'est mon préféré celui-ci. Je monte davantage. On inspire, on expire. And one hand on the floor and reach over. Je mets une main sur le tapis sur le côté et j'étire. On inspire, on expire, on revient. On fait la même chose de l'autre côté. And reach. Et on revient. On inspire, on expire. Ah. Et on revient. Et on change. And we come back all the way, hands behind again, open the chest. And this is important to be doing because most of the time I see people going forward. Je vois les postures des gens et en général, c'est beaucoup plus courbé devant. Je veux qu'on étire. Et cet exercice, c'est vraiment mon préféré. On étire là. Et on relâche. On relâche complètement. Et la tête sur le côté. On revient. Et de l'autre côté. And come back, relaxing everything, shoulders. And well done, guys. You did it. Well done. And I wanted to show you the Tower of Kuwait. And look, here they are. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, you can see them now. Here. So I will see you for the next one and have a lovely week. Bye for now.